How to change your character in Free Fire. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Changing your character in Free Fire is super easy once you know where to look, so here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the Free Fire game on your device and wait for the main lobby screen to load completely. Once you're inside the lobby screen, go ahead and click on the preset button at the bottom of the screen and click on character from the bottom center. You'll then come across this page where you can switch your character. Not all the characters are available. Some characters need to be obtained or purchased. Browse through the available character list. Select the character you want to preview and you'll see them on the page. You can see their skills from the right hand corner. After you want to select the appearance, tap on Equip Appearance on the right. Now, you'll be able to see your character changed. You don't have many characters unlocked, but you can earn them using in-game coins, diamonds, events, and rewards. So there you have it. That is how you easily switch characters in Free Fire. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.